Accomplish competitive affiliate marketing strategies using these suggestions. A lot of people working online are doing so because they've always dreamed of becoming their own boss and running their own successful business. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make this happen. But, first you need to understand exactly what affiliate marketing is, and how it works. In this video, you will learn about how to make affiliate marketing work for you. To find a good affiliate marketing opportunity, you should look for great products. If the products or offers used do not meet satisfying quality standards, your marketing strategy will definitely not have a good effect on customers and reflect a bad image of your company. A good product will get you some attention from customers. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. When posting affiliate marketing links on your site, make sure the affiliate is appropriate. For instance, you do not want to place ads for a company selling adult toys on a website dedicated to daycare reviews. Inappropriate ads are a quick way to lose website traffic and your income. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. Becoming your own boss would certainly be nice, but it's not going to happen unless you soak up valuable information and use it wisely. Watching and understanding this video is a good first step in the process. Just remember that it's not the only step. Learn more about marketing and then create a solid business plan to improve your chances. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.